Here's where you can go to change the display size as well as the font size. And this is for Xiaomi phones with HyperOS 2. This here is a Redmi Note 13. Check your Note 14 as well if it has these features. We'll start off by looking for the font size because that would be the first option. So use your quick access, and with the new HyperOS 2, you'll look for the settings toggle, this one right here. And once you're here now, you will want to go to where it says display right there. As you enter into the display settings here, you want to go down a little bit and go past these here until you see font settings, the last option. Under the font settings here, you can choose the style, and if you have more from the theme store, you can go ahead and get some more if you want to, but you have your adjuster here. And as you make the changes here, you will notice that it's going to get bigger, smaller, and it's going to tell you the size that it's currently set to, okay? And you also have your bold, okay? The bottom one slider here is making the text bold. So if you want it very bold, you can bring it to the far A on the right, and just keep it in the center if you prefer that way. So that will be your font settings. Now come out of here and come out again. And now we'll go to where it says additional settings. So we'll look for additional settings right here. And once you're here now, go to accessibility, this one right there. And under accessibility, you want to go to where it says vision, this here. Within the vision section, you want to go down until you see display size. And now that you're here, you're going to see this, and you'll also see to the bottom section. So I have set mine to the largest it can be, but if you're looking to make it smaller, you can adjust it from down here. And there is a slight difference, but it does make a difference. So if you want it bigger, leave it on the L, and be sure to press the check mark. Unlike the font size settings, it's not going to save unless you press the check mark. So press the check mark to save it. And that's that. Like and sub.